To start the level designer, if you are using Windows, open the wobbegong directory, and then the level designer directory, and double-click leveldesigner.exe. On Linux, from the command line, change directory to the wobbegong/leveldesigner directory. Then type java-star leveldesigner.jar. The level designer is simple to use. It's what you see is what you get type of thing. In this example, click the top right button to select the vertical break. Click on grid to place the selected object, in this case a vertical break, into your new map. We switch break type to the horizontal break and add them to our new map by clicking the grid. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl Z to undo your last placement, or right-click on an object to remove it from the map. The vertical break is 4 grid squares high. Here I'm counting 4 grid squares up. Then click on the grid to add a new vertical break. So I start building a wall out of horizontal and vertical breaks. To save what we have done so far, press Ctrl S. For this example, I'm saving the new map inside a game dir that is inside the wobbegong directory, and call it YouTube map. To see what our map looks like so far in game, we edit a file. Using a file manager, go into the wobbegong directory, then the game dir directory. Make a backup of map_order.txt and progress.txt. For this example, we need to move progress.txt, so the game thinks it's missing, then it will start reading maps from the top of map_order.txt's list. Easy way to do that is move progress.txt to the rubbish bin, because it's simple to restore it when this video is done. Then I drag map_order.txt from the file manager over to text editor. The top map is scrapyard, delete, scrapyard, and replace it with YouTube map. So it should read 1 space, YouTube map. Then save map_order.txt. Then run the wobbegong game. Here are the bricks we have just laid. There isn't a player in the game yet, because we need to add a starting point. From the level designer, click the green starting point button, then add it to the grid. It is only possible to add a single starting point. Then add an exit point by clicking the light blue button and click on the grid. It is also only possible to add a single exit point. Save the map by pressing Ctrl S. The map name and location will still be selected. Click the save button. Run the game again. Now you have a player that you can move around. Do not exit the map by entering the exit point, because this will cause you to progress to the next map. If you do, delete the new progress.txt file. This will delete your new progress status and put you back at the top of the map order. YouTube map. Back in the level designer, we add some pink targets by clicking a button with a small pink square. Click the grid tab then we add some fire around the targets by clicking the button with the red square, and then clicking on the grid. We place some fire directly on top of one of the targets to make it difficult to retrieve. Then add some movable obstacles. Select the button with the yellow square and add a few to the grid. Save the changes and run the game. To finish this example map, add 3 enemy spawn points. Click the blue square button. Add 3 enemy spawn points to the grid. Save the map and run the game. To put things back from where you started, open map_order.txt from the game dir directory. Replace YouTube map with scrapyard and save the file. Then restore your original progress.txt file. I put mine in the rubbish bin, so I can't just restore it from there. After creating one or more maps, you will want to add them to your list of maps, so they can be played. Edit map_order.txt and add your maps to the bottom of the list. Number them in the same way as the other maps are listed. So, number space, colon, space map name. By convention, the last map in the list does not have an exit point. So by default, the last map listed by map_order.txt is a map called well done. This is a map that makes up the words well done out of bricks and does not have a start or exit point. You might want to add your maps above the well done map. If so, make sure the well done map has the highest map order number. You can also create a whole new game.dir directory that has the same directory structure as game.dir, but you could call it my special game.dir. You could then create your own character, etc. images, your own music and sound effects, your own maps. If you do create your own game.dir directory, copy it to the wobbegong directory and start wobbegong like this.